And today we will see what are some good buying ranges for Terra Luna. On the daily chart I can see price is making a higher high whereas RSI is making a higher low. This is known as a bearish divergence and you can see price dropped after this, found support in this region and bounced. Again we are seeing the same thing. Look at this increase in price and then we are seeing a higher low forming on the RSI. So I am expecting something of this sort to happen again, but at what level? For that we will head over to the 4-hour chart, starting with this range over here, roughly 237 and 29. You can see some consolidation happened and then we pumped up, formed this bullish flag and then pumped again. So I am expecting another bull flag to form. Then we can think about entering into Terra Luna. This level looks important, 347, then 433 and then 473 level. Even on the 4-hour chart we can see price is making higher high but RSI is making a higher low, giving us bearish divergence, hence we saw this correction. And same thing over here, higher high but RSI is still going down. So yeah, another bearish divergence, hence we will see another correction for few days, maybe in this region of 43 to 473. If I try to make a price channel on the 4-hour chart, we can see that price likes to touch over here. So there is some chance of coming back down to this range of 4.3 to 4.7 and then we will try to bounce again. So in the short term, this range can be interesting, roughly 4.3 till 4.7. If we find good support here, we might see some pump in price. However, we have to be careful of something of this sort, like the price channel breaks towards the downside, a retest happen of the price channel and then we might see further drop towards 34 level. As you can see, prices are extremely volatile. If you're actively trading into the markets, please don't forget proper risk management, take profit, stop loss, and good luck trading. Thank you.